Here I have OPPO RX17 Neo, and let me show you how to enable passcode on the following device. So at the very beginning, open the settings, then find and select fingerprint, face and passcode, which is here. And now open lock screen password. Now you can simply enable it by tapping on turn on passcode. And it's time to figure out and enter the new passcode that you would like to have. So for example, let me pick 134679. Then you have to confirm it by entering it one more time. So it's 134679. And that's it. You can also add an email address. So once you forgot your passcode, you will be able to change it by this email address. But I'm not interested in that option. And since now this brand new passcode is protecting your device, so no one beside you will be able to enter it. And also let's check how to deactivate it. So let's go through the settings to the fingerprint, face and passcode. Then select lock screen password one more time. And here you have to enter the current one. So it was 134679. And tap on turn off passcode. One more time the current one to confirm that you are you. And that's it. Now your device is not protected by the passcode. Thanks for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.